ducks. Come here, duckies. More. Come here, duckies.
Hi there. Lovely day we're having, huh?
Yes. A bird in the hand is worth two in a bush.
Yeah, I suppose so. Gee, sure are a lot of birds out today.
Yes. Birds of a feather flock together. If it walks like a duck, talks like a duck, looks like a duck, it's a duck. The early bird gets the worm.
We could kill two birds with one stone.
Oh, don't worry. He too will die. Just like the rest of us old mean people. And then you'll be able to fly happy with your brothers and sisters in the sky. Mission completed.
Copy that. Did you encounter any difficulties?
No, just some civilian bird watcher. I was able to shake him.
Good work, Agent. Return to base with the depleted birds.
10-4.
Oh, hi there. My name's Nick Blackmer. I'm one of the founding members of the Pineapple Avalanche. Now, I think we all agree that was a pretty silly sketch. But what we all truly need to agree on is this. Between 1959 and 2001, the government mercilessly genocided over 12 billion birds and simultaneously replaced them with surveillance drones. And this kind of sketch, this is how they do it. Now, these drones are very advanced. In fact, you can
We're live. Read the cards.
Oh, hi. Hey, folks, it's Nick again. As you can see from my shirt and the palm trees behind me, I'm on vacation. So that's probably why you haven't seen me in a while. I just want to let you guys know that, I was just kidding about that birds not being a real thing. The government loves birds. All kinds of birds, pelicans, seagulls, and especially the American eagle. Therefore, I would like to formally apologize for my misleading claims regarding...
Get back here! Now you know the truth.